night, picking apart police training.
The government is responsible for these deaths. They're preventable.
The recommendations.
We don't need another study to prove that too many people in crises have died at the hands of police.
In a new report released by Ontario's watchdog, digging through debris.
Come here, babe.
Seeking the cause of the Mississauga house explosion.
We're working on connecting it to wherever it belongs.
What neighbors are finding. It's compact.
Consumers can know the results immediately.
And it could save your life.
That would be a phenomenal resource for parents of children with food allergies.
The tech tool that can track potentially deadly allergy triggers.
CTV News at 6 with Rosie Del Campo.
A new tech tool created at the University of Guelph could make it easier to track peanuts and other potentially dangerous food allergens. The device would let you know quickly whether the foods you're eating are safe. CTV's Alexandra Pinto has more on this for us tonight. Alex.
Well, Rosie, the tool is developed at the BioNano Laboratory at the University of Guelph, and it's something researchers have been working on for over 2.5 years.
Katrina Ratz says it's a challenge to stay on top of her son's nut and wheat allergies.
Every day, we're constantly checking on items and products to make sure they're safe for him.
Ratz says word of a portable device that can identify allergens such as peanuts or gluten is exciting.
That would be a phenomenal resource for parents of children with food allergies.
The detector could expedite allergen reporting and possibly reduce the number of allergic reactions. The wallet-sized equipment means tests can be done anywhere.
We have developed a prototype that will enable the consumers to be able to test for allergens right away, and consumers can know the results immediately.
During the process, a small amount of the food is liquefied in a suspension. A filter syringe is then used to inject it into a silicone-based plate. As the sample passes through tubes in the chip, it travels through a beam of light from a LED source, monitored by a specialized camera. The allergen glows, and the camera can convert a result in just 10 minutes. An app was also developed that will allow results almost immediately.
There is a genuine need from the market, from the consumers, in knowing what they consume.
Researchers say 1 in 10 people in the world suffer from a food allergy.
I think it's great. I work for the school board, so I think that it'd be really helpful to have.
I think that's interesting. I mean, it certainly makes it easier for people as they're out and about in their daily life to be able to test food.
A device that could be life-changing for Katrina Ratz's family.
That would be a huge thing for us if we were able to ensure that the food he was going to consume would be safe.
And researchers have filed a patent for this tool. However, it won't be made available to the public for at least a couple of years. Rosie.
Thanks, Alex. On